Hello friends, welcome back to lmssilly.com. In today's screencast, we will see how you can rename your questions in the Moodle quiz. As you can see, now I am logged into the Moodle as a teacher and I will just go to this course. And here I will just first add a new quiz activity and then I will show you how you can rename the questions in that quiz easily. So let me add a quiz here and I will give it a name as test quiz. Let me say questions. This is the name I would like to give to my quiz, and I will just leave all the settings as default and I will just scroll down and click save and display. So here you can see that I have not added any questions to this quiz yet. So let me go to this questions tab here and I will select this add button and choose from question bank. So here are the questions listed from the question bank, so I will just select a few of them and click this button, add selected questions to the quiz. So now you can see that 3 questions have been added, but let me say that I would like to give them different section names. Let us say that the first question will appear in section A, the second question will appear in section B, and the third question will appear in section C. And accordingly I would like to name the questions as A1, B1 and C1. So you can just simply select this pencil icon next to the question number and choose A1 and press enter. So you can see that this question has been renamed. Similarly, you can put it as B1 and the third one you can put it as C1. So this is how you can update the question numbers easily for your Moodle quiz. Now let me add the section numbers also on top here for this A1, B1 and C1. So let me say that this section is section A and I will add another section here and the third one here. So let me add a new section heading and I will just click this pencil icon to give it a name as section B and click enter. Similarly, let me add the third section heading here as section C. So this way you can easily classify your quiz based on the different sections and then you can name the question numbers according to the section names. Now let me show you how it will look alike while a student will take this quiz. So I will just go to the quiz tab here and then click on this preview quiz button here. So as you can see that I have section A, section B and section C listed here and there are 3 questions in this quiz. So you can see that the question A1 is the first one and then on the next page we will have the question B1. So this is how you can also see the drawer here, so as to view this question and sections here. So this is how you can easily customize the question numbers in your Moodle quiz and add different sections to the quiz. If you like this video, please don't forget to click the subscribe button as well as press the bell icon. It will really help me to create more engaging videos for you in the future. Thank you very much for watching this video.